R.A.R and welcome to the R.A.R Music and Tech channel. If you are a new subscriber of me, and welcome back if you are an older subscriber of me. And in this episode I will do another unboxing and review, and for this episode I will unbox and review this one. What is this? So this is from UGREEN, the production from China, the electronics producer in China, the manufacturer of some USB devices. Why I want to buy this and unboxing it and review it? Because my new laptop and also my new smartphones both has C type USB Type C, so I need to buy some adapter to convert USB Type C to USB Type A, and for my laptop especially. I already review about the OTG adapter USB Type C to USB Type A for my smartphone in a couple of videos ago. So in this one I will unboxing from UGREEN, which for my laptop. So one of the port in my laptop is USB Type C, and I need the adapter of USB Type A to connecting my mic, my webcam, my light also, which I also want to review it later. My light, which not the desk ring light again, because I broke my desk ring light for about just 1 week's usage. I just bought another ring light, which the stand ring light. I hope that it's stronger than this one. So I will open this right now. So I already opened it. It's actually a unique case because it's both plastic and also a bubble wrap, and this is what's inside. So this is UGREEN, and it's for charge. It could be used as the charging speed also. I think that is kind of their promotion of it. I don't know why they put this card over here. And this is the product that I want to unboxing and review. So this is the, as you can see, UGREEN 4-port USB 3.0 hub. So this could connect the let me put it at this camera angle. So it could connect you from the USB Type C port to the USB Type A, and also for the micro USB. And you can read the specifications here. So the input will be need the USB-C male, and the output is four USB 3A ports, complying with USB 3.0 standard with data transfer up to 5 GB per second backwards, compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1, with DC 5V plus minus 5%, micro USB port for power supply, support Mac OS, Windows, Linux, dimension with the length 104 millimeters, width 30 millimeters, the height is 10 millimeters, and cable length is 15 centimeters. And notes: do not expect this unit to measure our water environment. External power supply is required for high power equipment. So this from Shenzhen, China, UGREEN building, Longcheng Industrial Park, Longquanxi Road. And in Europe it's in Germany, Laatzen. And that's it. That's what I read from the spec from the back of the box here. So let me show you what's inside this box. Okay, I already opened it. let me put the scissors down first for safety measures, and let's see what's inside. So there are another packaging inside here, and this is the the instruction usage. I think this compatible with the USB flash drive for your mouse, and also for your USB, and also keyboard, mouse, card reader, RAID, hard drive or the hard disk, USB fan, mobile phone, camera, golden tag system, U-key, USB humidifier, and USB Wi-Fi adapter. So it actually could connect with almost all of the devices that use the USB type A kind of port. And there are specification here that already I already read it on the back of the box here, and it's here. Let me open this quick. I will not cut this because I think I need this package, the plastic one here. And here are the USB Type-C mail, and it has that kind of the protection from the port itself. You can see the brand here, the UGREEN, and you can also see the brand here, the UGREEN again, and also you can read here, and also you can see there are 4 USB to USB type A 3.0, and on the rear side there are a micro USB for charging. And I will use this device to connect, as I said before, my microphone, my webcam, my ring light, and also my mouse, and maybe my handphone. That's the reason why I need to use the 4-port version like this. There are actually just 1 port OTG USB adapter, but I need more than 1 port, and the UGREEN has 4 ports at least, I think, for this version of the OTG adapter USB. So let me put this quick on the port of the Type-C to test if it could be read by my laptop or not. So the Type-C here, let me put this on. Okay, so if you're recognizing that there are some notification that you just input something to the port, and let me test it with my mouse. So I use this one, the Logitech M330, the silent wireless mouse. Let me put this one. So this is the USB adapter for the connector, USB connector for the wireless mouse that I use. Right now, let me put it on the devices that I already plugged in before, the UGREEN, and let me test if it works or not. So my laptop is actually ready, and I think it's ready to use. Let me use this, and it works. It works. So okay, that's expected because I buy this for this purpose. Okay, device is ready. Yes, thank you for the UGREEN for your product. So I could connect so many ports here because I need it. And thanks for watching. That is my unboxing and review for the UGREEN USB adapter, or what is the name of this product? Yes, UGREEN 4-port USB 3.0 hub. And thanks for watching. See you in my other unboxing and review videos or maybe other contents. Thank you. See you next time.